Hey, welcome back, guys. Today, our next project just arrived. It is a 2016 Dodge Ram. So, it's missing the wheel. Gotta get the good old forklift out, go unload it. Alright, got the truck unloaded. Let's take a quick look around before we drag it back to the shop. So right off the bat, we can see that it has some sort of a lift, which is always a big plus. A nice Black Widow Spider. Alright, not too bad. So we saw in the pictures, axle is knocked out, control arm is gone. Got hit in the apron. I didn't think the door was that bad, but it's alright. I wonder if these are aftermarket seats. One key. Got the big screen, automatic climate control. Oh, and we got a second key. That's always awesome. It's a little dirty. Smoker truck, but it doesn't smell too bad, so hopefully we can clean that out. Armrest is broken. Got the wrench for the wheels. Got the books. Alright, let's get this thing in neutral and drag it back to the shop. Let's take another look down here. Well, from first glance, it looks like the frame was undamaged. Got the 5.7 Hemi. It's got no power for me to put it into neutral, so I gotta go grab the jump box. screen. That's pretty cool. See if they'll start up. Alright, so I wanted to do that, so let's just get it into neutral. Alright, we got the truck back here, so let's take a good look around and see what we bought. So, obvious damage that we saw in the pictures when we bought it off of Copart. You got the fender, the suspension, bumper. When we were buying it, we were figuring that it had a lift on it, which it obviously does. Has a good sized lift. I'm guessing probably a 6-inch. It's got the long arm. It's got the skid plates, got the drop downs. So Pro Comp. So that's a good brand. That's good, really good news. Cheap Chinese rims. It just broke apart, but I mean, I guess it was a pretty hard hit here. Apron here. It's not that big of it. Probably get that fixed. So we'll see. Good news, we thought the hood was damaged, but there is no damage on the hood. It's aluminum, so that's gonna save us a good amount of money. The grill, painted grill, also looks like to be fully intact, so that's good. Alright, let's keep looking. What else we got? Door. I didn't see that it was that bad on the pictures because somebody already, the transporter duct taped it, but it was like this covering it up. So we're gonna have to replace this door because it's pretty mangled. A-pillar took a little bit of a hit. That should pull back out though, so not too worried about that. Mirror's broken. Alright, what do we got here? Well, the previous owner looks like he put some cat skin seat covers on here. They look pretty cool. I like the design, the stitching on it. And the detonator, I'm gonna look that up. Maybe that's something that he wanted, or that's maybe a brand. Truck's pretty dirty, but nothing a little cleaning elbow grease won't fix. I like to, let's see what the screen looks like.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nope.
Okay, alright, well, we'll check that out later, but these screens are pretty cool. It's got the big screen here. A lot of them have the smaller one. I believe it has navigation. Has 4-wheel drive with lockers, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's keep looking. Got a set of all-weather Dodge floor mats. So that's pretty cool. What's this? Pro Comp. Oh, alright. Some kind of spacer. Some lug nuts.
Oh,
yeah,
stickers.
And got some stickers. Alright. Got some Nitto Terra grapplers. Looking like they're 35s. So, really good shape. In the back we can see the lift kit. Yeah, it's Pro Comp with the long arm, with all the spacers and everything, drop downs, shocks. So it's a nice kit. I believe these go for around $2 grand for just the kit. Got a little bit of, looks like somebody tried doing PDR on the quarter, but it's damaged here. We saw this bumper folded in, so that's gonna get fixed and painted anyway. It's a outdoorsman edition, which would probably explain why it's got all the good options. Just there's the tow hook from the front. Got the tire that was ripped out. Got a new broom for the shop. Got a backup camera. That's what kind of told us that maybe it'll have a lift on it, because the big drop down. Parking sensors. Now, looks like this bed's got, side's got a little bit of damage on it too, but maybe we'll try PDR that so we don't have to paint the whole truck. This side looks like it's all in good condition. Fenders look good. So alright, so the first step is we're going to order a new knee assembly with the control arms and everything else to get it back on its wheel. That way we can at least move it around. We don't have to use the forklift for it. And then once we do that, we're going to tear it down further to see the extent of the damage so we know exactly what we have to fix. Alright, we got our suspension, our knee assembly for the Ram in. Got a really nice one. Usually they're a little bit more beat up. This one looks like it's brand new. So we're going to start disassembling the Ram, put this on so it can drive on its own, and then put it on the frame machine. Alright, well, we got the knee assembly back on. It's standing on its own now. So stay tuned. Come back for the next video. In the next video, we're going to start the teardown, see the extent of the damage. We're ready, and then order some parts and go from there. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video on 2016 Dodge Ram.